It begins with the right materials and the scale to deliver, where ideas take shape and every detail is thoughtfully aligned before the execution begins. Design and project teams operate as one, aligning every detail from planning to execution. An organized system ensuring everything is ready when it's needed. Materials in place, products ready. Everything set for execution. Prepared with adhesive, laminate applied with accuracy, and pressed to ensure a strong, uniform finish. Panels are fed into the cutting system, where accuracy is controlled to the millimeter. Each piece is labeled and tracked through the process. Panels enter the edge banding system, where edges are sealed with control, ensuring durability and a consistent finish on every side. Each panel begins with a defined design, carefully positioned and guided into CNC processing. The system interprets every detail, cutting with accuracy and shaping the material exactly as intended. With in-house metal fabrication, strength meets design seamlessly. Wrapped and secured for protection, every piece is scanned and tracked through the system. Materials are organized and maintained with precision. Each unit is assembled, checked, and packed securely, ready for transport and on-time delivery. One team, one process, one commitment. Elvenwood Interiors.